Hello humans, this is how I'm honing straight razors now. You start with your coarser stone shaped as a smaller diameter wheel, progress to your finer stones shaped as much larger diameters. Here I'm using a 2000 grit 3M lapping film mounted on a little wood block shaped like a 6.5 foot wheel, and the spine and the edge are flush to the wheel as I rub the razor on both sides, first like a file filing back and forth along the cutting edge, and then with the strokes only going toward the edge. Then I switch to a diamond film 4 times as fine, do the same thing, and then next I'm on to the hard Arkansas file. I'm doing it the same way, first with a 6.5 foot side and then a 25 foot side. Humans, you should go search up hard Arkansas file on our website and read the testimonials shown on any files for sales page. You can't understand how powerful a humble little tool this is until you try it. It has sides shaped 6.5 feet and 25 feet, and you first use the 6.5 foot side to polish, and then you go to the 25 foot side and do the same thing. Next I use a 3x10 black Arkansas stone. Took me forever to shape it. It's shaped exactly as that last step of the file, 25 feet going down the long axis, 6.5 foot across. I do him, 3 dozen strokes, something like that. And then I'll switch to the strop, which in this case is going to be shown as a 6.5 foot diameter piece of a kangaroo. Balsa wood is the backing.